Hi there, how are you today? This time a bit of a different video. I bought into the big dip. And what do I mean by that? I've been buying dividend stocks for my daughter since January 2020, hence the name of this YouTube channel, of course. However, the goal is to create a passive income stream or multiple streams that will give her a start for when she is 18. Please do watch the whole video to see why I got into this. Before, in my video of December 2020, I mentioned that I bought a bit of Bitcoin for my daughter. And now with the current dip, I decided to buy a bit more. A couple of hundred of dollars more to make a total of 0.01 Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin is not a passive income stream. But nowadays, there are possibilities to make that happen. One option, the option that I picked, was to open an account with BlockFi, which gives an interest of 5% per year. Although, of course, this may vary a bit. They also support other coins and even stable coins, and some even with a higher APY. But why did I buy Bitcoin? Buying Bitcoin now, I bought around $45,000 per Bitcoin, and now it's even lower, but still, it may be scary with the recent fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Now you hear in the news that Bitcoin is down, Elon Musk tweets something, China is banning Bitcoin. Then why still buy Bitcoin? And well, I've been there before. Bitcoin has been declared dead over 400 times since the start. In a bull market, significant drops of 40% are normal, as you can see in 2017. Bitcoin is everywhere and cannot be banned without shutting down the internet. I'm certainly excited to hold 0.01 Bitcoin for at least 12 and a half years, and then my daughter will be 18 and may control her Bitcoin and see what it will do. If you like this video, please consider hitting the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. This helps me to grow this channel. There are more options, but if you are interested in buying Bitcoin and put it somewhere that gives a nice interest, passive income, I can suggest BlockFi. You can use the link below to set up an account. I have to say that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research. And furthermore, there is a risk with holding your Bitcoin somewhere where you don't have the keys. And for this account's sake, I am willing to take that chance. If you sign up via the link below and deposit $100 or more into your BlockFi interest account, we both earn $10 in Bitcoin. Of course, next to the dividend stock, I will keep you posted on the status of Bitcoin I bought. Thanks for your time and see you next video.